Wow. Mimi.
Get any front end wobble while you're driving?
No, no steering wheel play.
That needs to be replaced.
I couldn't hear any bearing noises.
Yeah, I think that's the one that was replaced.
Both sides.
Well, both sides. That's my new oven down there. Radius arm bushing. This thing?
Yeah, no, down.
Oh, down
right
here. Okay. They look good.
Unless something happens here when I lift the front tire and check the ball joints. That does not need ball joints, or doesn't need. Those guys are full of shit.
So nothing is wrong with the front. Definitely not $2,000 worth of work except for that tie rod bearing right there. Now let's see if there's anything wrong with the back. Time to check the back.
Drive shaft's pretty solid. Got damage on them from like hitting rocks.
Oh shit. So,
Or
okay.
I don't know. I honestly.
My baby's got her butt up in the air. Thank you, Dave, and thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And so much love.